Hello guys, I share with you this amazing recipe. Okay, this is chicken stir fry with some veggies. Okay, and then it turns out so good, and let's get into it. So this is my chicken breast. It's boneless chicken, and then I cut them into the desired shape, or sizes that you want, and then we put them in a bowl. So this is a soy sauce, ketchup, and we add our black pepper, and we have some pepper mix, ginger, garlic, onion, and bell pepper, red bell pepper, and this one is my salt. So we mix everything until it is well combined, and then we cover it. You can keep this in the fridge for like 1 hour. If you don't have the time, you can do for 30 minutes. And in a pan, we add our oil, and then we fry. Okay, so we fry until it turns white. No chicken breast. Yeah, it turns like white until it's tender. Okay, and then this is how it looks like. That it means it's cooked. So we set it aside and continue with the veggies. Okay, so in a pan we add a small oil, and then we fry our veggies. Here we have some carrot and some red bell pepper. So we stir everything. Because the carrot is so hard, I first do that so that it becomes a little bit soft because of the kids, and then I add the other ingredient. Here I have some shrimp, maggie shrimp, and it's half. I use just a quarter of it, and this is salt, and this is black pepper. Okay, so here I'm seasoning my veggies. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, and then we stir. So we add our fried boneless chicken. Okay, and then we stir everything. Look at how it looks. The place smells good already. So we stir everything together, and then we add our red onion, okay, to give it a color, and this is our peas. So if you any vegetables that you want, you can use it to make this recipe, and then we stir everything together. Okay, so here we are going to add our thickener, and this is just a cornstarch with water. I just use 1 tablespoon and then water to mix, and then you are good to go. And if you don't like it that way too, you can just keep it. So I just add it so that it thickens the sauce a bit. Okay, so here we are stirring, and it looks so yummy, and it smells good here. So let me know in the comment section when you try it how it goes. Okay, and also if you love what I am doing, kindly give me a credit by subscribing to my channel, follow my page, and like, share, and also comments are also welcome. Yes, so thank you. And I paired mine with some jollof rice, and guys, it was so delicious. Okay, so at this time, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.